You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this expression, originally from Latin, that is commonly used in English as well. If you want to learn more confusing Latin expressions, stay tuned, I've got many more. There are indeed two different pronunciations in English. Dies non is used in English, and it's the more Latin pronunciation. Yes, dies is day in Latin. This is a day on which no legal business can be done. Dies non. The alternative pronunciation, which is the more English pronunciation, which is correct in English as well, is dies. Dies non. Dies non or dies non. Both pronunciations are indeed correct. One is more Latin, the other more English. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.